Oh, you got up there really easy. You got up there really easy too.
You have to look down so that doesn't happen. So
What do you have, Ava? You have a snowball? Ah, she got me! She got me!
I got
I'm gonna get Grandpa. Oh, I missed. Playing in the snow. I told you we'd get to play in snow.
You missed when I go, can you look at me? Thank you, Dad.
So these things, and see those rounded red things there that we're standing on? Big. Those are called cowpipes. That's why this trail is called the Cowpipe Trail. Oh. Because of the rock formation.
She's throwing snow at herself.
Cowpipes.
Goodness.
What? It looks like cow poop, the rock. Be careful, you see all this cactus around this rock? You have to be careful. I used to fall in those.
I did it once. Like, I went like this.
Yeah. I fell in them many times because I tried to move the lid. My mom had cactus growing, and I'd always try to jump over it. I always did. Except for one time.
The bears like to prick his hair.
Yeah, I'll video you some.
I was being funny. You know how they go on the camp outs and they do their own video editing?
Uh-huh.
They leave the camera and then they go back to pick it up. Cute kids.
I wish Taylor would have come with us.
40264. You got it? Yeah.
It's filled with rocks. Hey kids, be careful by that edge. Don't go on the edge, okay? Don't go towards the edge. Stop. Ava. Stop, honey. I really put that fall down. Yeah, I know. It's dangerous over there.
3452.411.
Hey Mom, was this already recording when you gave it to me?
No?
Oh.
I don't know.
882?
I don't know either.